This video shows how to disassemble an H rotary joint. Preload the rotor with the press. Then unscrew the hex screws. Relieve the pressure. Remove the cover. Remove the rotor with the sealing ring. Remove the sealing ring from the rotor. Remove the carbon-bearing bushing and the locking pin from the housing. Remove the compression spring from the housing. Carefully remove the flat packing from the housing or the cover using a scraper. If the rotary joint has been used, the flat packing will adhere and be destroyed when it is removed.